Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on private tab in the WIKO U Pulse in the form for web browsers. So, in the first, at the start the Firefox, click on the tab icon in this place. Sorry about that, I really don't know what's happening with the touch with the phone. Okay, now just switch to the zero mask and click on the plus private. Then next on Opera. Click on the tab icon. Switch to the private and click on the plus. Then expand Google Chrome. Click on the three dot icon. And tap on the new Incognito tab. And the last one, Microsoft Edge. Click on the tab icon, switch to in private and click on the plus. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.